Today we're going to go on a journey and connect with the plant kingdom. Plants, trees, Mother Nature gives us many wonderful gifts. The beautiful music that we shall journey to is called Sacred Journey by Thaddeus, and you can find it at www.orendebbien.com and put in Thaddeus, Thaddeus by Sanaya Roman. And so today we're going to connect more deeply to the beautiful kingdom of the plants, the elemental, and the healing, nurturing love that this wonderful kingdom has to offer us. Plants and trees give off beautiful oxygen which we require to breathe. And so if you can walk out in nature, somewhere wild, even better. If not, create a little garden where you can sit next to and breathe the plants. If you have some weeds, the better. Weeds have such wonderful healing properties. And so today, I want you to go somewhere wild, either walking or in your mind. And I want you to focus upon your breath. And as you breathe, I want you to consciously think about how each breath you take, you breathe in oxygen from beautiful Mother Nature, and you breathe out carbon dioxide, which the plants and the trees need in order to give us back our food, our medicine, and that which we require to breathe. And so take a moment and focus upon your breath. With each beat of your heart or each step you take, feel this connection deepen. Breathe in and out, slowly and consciously. Allowing every cell of your body to be bathed with the beautiful gifts of the plants. And as you feel your cells nourished with the beautiful oxygen they supply us, breathe in their bliss. Breathe in their love. Breathe in what they no longer need. And as you release what you no longer need, breathe it out with gratitude. So breathe in with love. Breathe out with gratitude. Breathe in with bliss. Breathe out with love. Continue breathing in and out with each step you take, slowly, consciously, as long as you like. The longer you spend in this beautiful dance between the plants and the humans, the greater the gifts that you give to each other. It is the most perfect symbiotic relationship where each of us need the other in order to live. And so breathe in their love and breathe out your love and allow your body to be healed.